Hello. Today I will explain step by step how to create an effective thesis statement. The thesis statement is backbone of an article or academic text. It clearly tells the reader what is being written about and what perspective will be defended on this subject. If you want to see more informative content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. The first step is to clearly define the topic you will write about. If your topic is not specific, you will have a hard time creating your thesis statement. For example, choose a clear focus area, such as the impact of social media on young people. If your topic is broad, make it narrower and more defendable. In the second step, determine what you think about the topic. A successful thesis statement does not only state in the topic, it also expresses your opinion on the topic. Instead of just saying social media affects young people, you should use a defensible and directional statement such as social media negatively affect young people's attention and reduces their academic success. The third step is to make your thesis statement clear, debatable, and original. A good thesis statement is usually one sentence long and asks the reader, what will this paper argue? Instead of statements, is a technology good or bad? Address a specific aspect and establish a cause and effect relationship. Position your thesis statement at the end of the introductory paragraph of your paper, which main idea to follow throughout your paper. After creating an eye-catching opinion in the introduction, present your thesis statement in a strong and direct manner. Once you have completed all these steps, you will have a strong thesis statement that forms the foundation of your paper. A thesis statement not only guides the reader but also helps you stay on topic throughout your paper. Remember, a good paper starts with a good thesis statement.